This is a 2019 retake of the elevator at the Days Inn and Suites on Clark Road in Sarasota, Florida. Clark Road and I-75, that is. This is a Mowrey elevator. I believe this was installed in the 90s. Here's 3. There's a look at the corridor. There's the call station. Now let's go 1. There's a certificate. Here's your cab view. There's actually a wet floor sign right there. Also, non-ADA compliant phone. There it goes. Before we end, there's another look at the corridor. And there's your call station again. So that'll be it.